eastbound coal train. I think it went into emergency. I turned the camera on as soon as I could. Yeah, it went into emergency. All right, ran back here to the back. See what happens. Got a scanner in my shop, but I don't have a handheld one. Oh, actually I do, but the batteries are out. I need to get it and get it working for situations like this. Hello?
Howdy.
What happened?
Oh, I don't know. We might have come in too.
Oh, lost an airline or something?
Yeah, maybe. Am I on camera?
Yeah, you're on camera. Is it all right if I put you on YouTube?
Yeah, that's cool.
Alright, the conductor's walking the train. Nothing's happening. He's got to figure out what's going on. So I'm going to run back, get in the truck, and drive down to the crossing down there and see what's going on. Alright, made it down here to the crossing. Just drive down a little bit. This road right here runs alongside the tracks for a little while. Alright, here's about as far as I can go. Road curves away from the tracks right here. Well, we got some movage. I think they got the brakes released. I think they're backing the train up. Probably gonna back up and pick up his conductor. 'Cause that is a long way to walk on the gravel, folks. Ballast, whatever. But down there about as far as you can see is the back of my property. Just to kind of give you a reference. And through a little movie magic, we're back at the back of my property. Can't see it through the brushes, but the head end of the train, the locomotives, is just maybe the second property over. You can hear them idling. Alright, here we go. I hear the diesel engines picking up the RPM. I got an idea. I'm going to run down to the other crossing. And they are on their way. And here comes the tail end. Here comes the pushers. Yep, and I am almost out of memory, so this will conclude the adventure of the train going into emergency.